Ever dreamt of a cake that encapsulates the luxurious snap of a Magnum ice cream, but with the sophisticated flavours of pistachio? Well, get ready, because today we're making the ultimate Magnum Pistachio dream cake, featuring my secret innovation, the golden snap. Ready to get baking? Let's start with our star ingredient. First up, our emerald base, a gluten-free, intensely flavourful pistachio crust. Start with 150 grams blanched pistachios. You can blanch them yourself by boiling for a minute, then shocking in ice water to easily remove the skins. This gives us that gorgeous, vibrant green. Into the food processor they go until finely ground. Now add almond flour, sugar, rosewater and egg white. Blend it. Press this mixture evenly into Springform pan and bake. While our base cools, let's prepare the velvet pistachio cloud, our moist and tender pistachio cake. In a separate bowl, cream together unsalted butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. Now gradually add all-purpose flour, pistachios, and baking powder, alternating with 120 millilitres buttermilk. Stir in the vanilla extract and green food colouring. Don't overmix. Pour the batter into cake pan and bake. Now for the star of the show, my secret weapon, the golden snap. Melt the white chocolate and butter gently over a double boiler or in the microwave until smooth. Stir in the sea salt. Pour this mixture onto baking sheet. Spread it thinly. Now for the magic. We're going to caramelize it slightly. You can do this very carefully under a broiler for literally 30 seconds or with a kitchen torch until you see beautiful golden spots. Pop it into the fridge. To bridge the layers and add another creamy pistachio element, we have our Emerald Embrace, a luscious pistachio white chocolate ganache. Melt white chocolate with heavy cream until smooth. Stir in pistachio paste. You can chill this for a couple of hours. It's assembly time. Place your cooled emerald base on your serving plate. If you have an adjustable cake ring or acetate collar, use it for nice clean edges. Next, gently place your velvet pistachio cloud cake layer directly on top of the base. Now, carefully unpeel your golden snap layer and place it squarely on top of the pistachio cake. Press down ever so gently. Finally, pour your Emerald Embrace pistachio ganache evenly over the golden snap layer. Smooth it out and then, back into the fridge this goes for at least 2 to 3 hours, or even better, overnight, to get everything super firm. The final touch, our iconic signature snap chocolate coating. Melt dark chocolate with refined coconut oil. Pour that luscious chocolate coating right over the top, letting it beautifully cascade down the sides. Immediately sprinkle generously with finely chopped toasted pistachios. The chocolate will harden almost instantly, giving us that classic Magnum texture. And there it is, the rich pistachio base, the tender cake, the surprising snap of the caramelized white chocolate with that hint of salt, the creamy mousse, and that indulgent chocolate shell. It's truly a dream come true. Until next time, happy baking!